òun tún rédíò owó ti àti pé òun tún ti ẹfẹ̀ lẹ́sà mẹ́mọ́ sùn lẹ́ka jáde lọ òun tún ẹfẹ̀ lọ́gbọ̀n ṣe.
The Lord revealed to us all the countries that night. So I don't need to lie to you. This is what the Lord revealed that last night. These are all the countries that won for African Cup of Nations.
This ongoing tournament.
That night. The Lord said, go and plot it. I will teach you and show you those who are going to scale the first round, the second round, and how Nigeria is going to play final with Côte d'Ivoire. Because Côte d'Ivoire is the best loser. And if they are removed from the stage, nobody will watch the tournament again. So that's a problem. So that's what you did not know. What happened in the World Cup the other day, because there is some mineral resources they have discovered in Argentina. And then they believe Lionel Messi may likely not come back to World Cup again. Anything can happen. So that's why they shared the deal that time and made Argentina to lift the trophy. And some people are just making noise. Oh, he predicted the World Cup. But the Lord has been using me to predict a lot before. Chelsea, Man U, Man City, Real Madrid, Barcelona, then Bayern, yeah. And everything come to pass. You know, I played soccer for 17 years. So it's not a thing of even using mathematics. No.
You were a footballer.
I was a footballer for 17 years. So I did everything. You know, at times I felt so bad. And when a useless man in the society, we just come on board through church, through blogging, blog this and that. Who are you? Is that John we know? When you look at that of the Apostle 19, start from 10. Is that John we know, Paul we know, Stephen we know? Then who are you? That's what he said. But I am the group of number one. I am number one. In anything, number one. In anything, even I was born, I'm firstborn. Anything, number one. Number one does not talk too much. Number one normally have enemy. Because 2, 3, 4, 5 are still there in millions. So automatically the Lord said, even in the final, except not semi-final, we played the final with South Africa.
Already.
And that was the final.
So the final has
been played already. Even the trophies in Abuja, spiritually.
Spiritually?
Yes, sir.
So meaning Nigeria will emerge the winner.
Nigeria is taking the trophy. There is no how you can do it. We are going to play tactical football.
This is a confirmed revelation from God.
Sir, it already has been written. It's in my book. A confirmed one. Even though they go and hire Lionel Messi to join, or Yaya Toure, Kolo Toure, Dorogba, to join them again, this very one, you should forget it.
But people are afraid that the Austrian country is playing the final with us. They will use the...
Those who are afraid that they're footballer, even that I was telling them in my parlor, that Nigeria is going to lose 7 people with this ball going to extra half. I told them. Then people watching the match, they will have a heart attack.
Yeah.
So I told them. Then it happened. So automatically, and when everybody was just talking, I was just looking at them because the Lord has revealed the match to me already. So why panicking? So automatically, either a novice is talking or anything is talking, Nigeria is bringing the trophy.
Yes, sir. Our keeper, Nwabali Stanley.
Yes, sir.
He's doing fantastic right now.
He's not doing fantastic.
Okay.
If you are a footballer, when the man doing a fantastic job is AFCON. Okay, AFCON is playing like Kechi. Kechi came back to Nigeria again. He's playing the role of a father.
Sir? Stephen Keshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just as if he reincarnated again. He's playing like Stephen Kechi. So when the defenders are good, the goalkeeper is on holiday.
Sure.
Then to novice who did not know about football, what is goalkeeper? There's nothing goalkeeper. Before you are going to leave the you are number 5 is the rock of Gibraltar. So when that one, in those days when I play soccer, I play number 11, number 7, number 7. Then I come to play standing 5 because I use both legs. So automatically we have won a lot of trophy for my town, for Guinness, for everything. We played. Even I played in Germany. So when you look at all these things, Nigeria is right time. everything is going to work fine for Nigeria. It's only we cannot, it's patience. We don't have enough patience. Nigerian are spoiled right from independence. You know what I'm saying? But there now is one person that will build the cat. But if the person has not finished, you'll be thinking maybe he's not doing the right thing. During the time of Gowon was busy wasting money. There's excess money. Gowon was wasting it. Telling us, Odoji award, this award. They are now making Jos, another London in Nigeria. He was putting all they have into London, into Jos. But now Jos Plateau has been shattered. Nítorí pé téèyàn bá.
Owutu FM, Owutu FM, ó bẹ ní Kòròdú lágíríkì, Owutu FM, bàbá màmá ẹ̀gbọ́n pẹ̀lú àbúrò, Owutu FM ní kẹ́ máa gbọ́, Owutu TV ní kẹ́ máa